Hey there, future Ruby rockstar. Welcome to our brand new YouTube tutorial series, where we will be diving headfirst into the wonderful world of Ruby programming. Whether you are a complete beginner or a session developer looking to sharpen your skill, then you are in the right place. In this series, we will be covering everything you need to know to become proficient in Ruby. From the very basic like syntax and data type, all the way to advanced topic like object-oriented programming and web development with Ruby on Rails. But before we dive into the code, let me tell you a little bit about why Ruby is such an incredible language to learn. Ruby is actually known for its simplicity, readability, and flexibility. Ruby is the perfect choice for anyone looking to write clean, elegant code that's a joy to work with. Just take a look at this. With Ruby, you can express complex ideas in just a few lines of code, making it favorite among developers all around the world. So, whether you are dreaming of building your own web application, exploring the world of automation, or just looking to expand your programming toolkit, Ruby has really something for everyone. And in this series, we will be unlocking the full potential of this amazing language together. So, are you ready to embark on this coding adventure with me? If so, hit the subscribe button and let's dive right in.